day. You say good morning?
Good morning.
It is... Okay, Google. What time is it?
10:18 a.m.
It's 10:18. I woke up at like 9. Can you go over so I can go over? I'm off the bed, baby. Can you go over?
I will help you up.
Please.
I'm just drawing this man alpha.
Thank you. I woke up at 9
I'm
o'clock.
gonna lay right here.
And I've been just laying in the bed
And look at my
on the
haircut.
phone.
My gosh, I did my haircut.
You need another one.
My gosh, I did my haircut.
Mm-hmm.
Look, Joe take me to the
Barbershop.
barber shop, and then that man, he was
Cutting your hair.
cutting my hair off, and then he was brushing it off, and then I was done, and then me and Joy went to the door to get some ice cream. We get 2 ice cream, and then we came back to the house. Yep.
But yeah, I just been laying in bed. I'm not going to work today. I sprained my ankle yesterday. I didn't think it was a big deal, but it hurts when I walk on it. And I'm not gonna go to work and accidentally slip off another pallet and hurt it anymore. So I just called out for today. I look a mess. Like I said, I've just been laying in bed. I think I'm gonna go back and do a deep conditioner again. Although I just straighten my hair blow dry my hair, because this is not gonna cut it. I can't walk around like this. This not gonna. I feel like a lost child.
My tell Google to connect to your phone.
No, don't tell Google to connect to my phone. So, and then I got errands I have to run. So, and as y'all can tell, I did not go to the gym. I'm gonna go later. Oh,
That's okay.
my body still hurt from when I went to the
Why
gym.
you touch my butt cheek?
On Monday. I didn't touch your butt.
My butt was right here.
I didn't even reach over there. I'm scratching my leg. What are you talking about?
Yes. That night. You were touching my butt.
I surely did not. But yeah, I just wanted to come on the camera and say good morning.
I filmed it. You said.
Started off.
I know it. Your hair was on my butt cheek.
Okay. Y'all are finally seeing me again. Oh my gosh. I told my brother to do something funny and this is what he do. Hold up. Weird, ain't it? Y'all just now seeing me again after earlier this morning. I said that I was gonna get up and go wash clothes and whatnot. I'm just now finishing like cleaning my room. I deep cleaned my room. Like I did a deep clean. These clothes, come on. Do I have my head over? No. Huh? No, they in the house. Okay. I gotta go back in. Y'all hold up. Hold up. My bad, y'all. There's just too much going on right now. Oh, I ain't gonna go bring it back in. So, I cleaned my room like thoroughly. I had my daughter help me. Even though they're always like the ones that be messing it up, I had her help. I like she helped me clean the walls because my kids, just like any other kids, they like to touch the wall, they get stuff all on their hands, and they touch the wall, and it gets sticky and leave prints and stuff. So I had her do that as a chore. Of course, I monitor her doing it. I did that growing up at her age as well. My mom and dad would wake us up Saturday morning, early Saturday morning, and have us cleaning up, sweeping, mopping, cleaning off walls and stuff like that. I feel like as a child, you have to teach them how to clean up behind themselves, which eventually will follow them, hopefully, into their adulthood. It followed me because I clean my room and I clean up all the time, thoroughly. So that's what we were doing. After that, I just dusted off the TV and the nightstands, the dressers, cleaned that, swept, mopped. Now I'm going to Bay House to wash clothes and my sheets. What else? We're also going to the gun range. If y'all can't tell, it is raining. I'm pretty sure y'all can see it probably on my window right here. It is so dark. Like, the sky is no sun, no nothing. It's just straight dark. Clouds are gray. It looks like we're going to get hit with a thunderstorm or something like that, but it's raining. So yeah, we're gonna go to the gun range. I do still need to go to get groceries, and I do need to go to Ross. I told me I want to go to TJ Maxx and get this bed desk for when I'm using my laptop, like editing or doing schoolwork and stuff like that. I don't have to sit it on the bed and bend over, like hunch back over. I don't like doing that mess. It hurts my back a lot. So I think it would be nice to have a bed stand for my laptop. That way I'm not all slouched over and messing my back up. As it is when I'm at work, it's hurting my back. And I asked them for a back brace. She told me she'll let me know when they get them, but I know I really need one because my back just, but I'm not gonna lie, when I went to the gym Monday, my back felt so freaking good after exercise. I mean, a machine that I used, I can't remember what it is, but it's like you sit on it and it stretches your back all the way out. I had my back feeling so good. Still got my back feeling good. Like, it doesn't hurt like it usually do when I leave work. I got the AC turned all the way up. I was hot. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm running like way behind. Like, I got up when I got off the camera, the last clip, when I was up with my son. When I had got up, I planned to just take my sheets off. Of course, I was gonna sweep and mop, but I just planned to take my sheets off so I can go wash clothes, and then sweep and mop. But I didn't have like no energy. I didn't feel like doing it. I felt like slouched. So I had drunk the last Celsius that I had, that I was saving, that was in the refrigerator. I drunk that, and no lie, I had so much energy to the point where I actually started cleaning, like deep cleaning. A lot of times on Friday, that's what I do. Ooh, that iguana. I'll deep clean, but I wasn't expecting to clean walls and stuff. Well, I didn't clean them, but I wasn't expecting to do that. Fridays are like a chill day for my daughter as far as like school go. She might do like reviews, and she'll have a spelling and a vocabulary test, and of course she needs to read her Bible and read a book as well. So her Fridays are chill. So it was like having her clean up like that, like thorough clean, it wasn't gonna distract her from schoolwork or nothing like that. So, and I still haven't did anything to my hair. I don't plan on it. I was gonna deep condition today, although I did a deep condition when I took my braids out probably like 2-3 days ago. But my hair, like, I know I got split ends. I need to go get my ends cut, like, for I really do. But I know it's gonna look awkward if I go get my ends cut because they have to flat iron my hair. how they gonna flat iron this side? Like, it's enough to flat iron, but it's like, what is the point? You want him to bring it and say he didn't know? It is raining outside. It is pouring down. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. But I said it was gonna rain, so it's nothing new. Just hurry up and get in the car before my phone get wet. My phone got wet once before, and it said that I couldn't charge my phone because a piece of it was wet. So it's wet now. My car smells like meat. Oh gosh, I don't know what that smell is. It smells like meat. And I'm not a fan of the smell of meat. I don't like when it smells. Meat smells horrible. I got y'all on a tripod, but I want to see something. Is my door shut? No. I want to see if I turn the camera. Can y'all see me? Of course you can see me. I'm just saying I want to see what it'll be like if y'all, if I turn my camera. Oh, he probably moving. But that feels weird, so I'm gonna turn it back around. Okay, we're gonna see the gun range. Oh my goodness. It is wet outside. Oh, my bad.
Down the hall, guys. That's 2, 3, and 4. You shooting suppressed? No, I thought you were shooting suppressed. It sounded weird. Huh. As the rest, just push it down range. Don't let it build up all over the floor. Just push it down range.
Yeah. That's fine.
close.
It's close. Come on. You tripping. You gotta get out, man. Trying not to get my phone wet is tough. You sure you don't want to get under my umbrella with me? Huh? Look at how you left my windshield wipers on. They just sitting up there. Ooh, the nerve. So you gonna go to Smoothie King after this, or what? It's raining. It's pouring. The old, ooh, Starbucks still open? When I came in here last night, it was closed. And I came in here on the same time. No, I think it's closed. It's raining. It's pouring. Ooh, I gotta get a shaver from Walmart. A man shaver. I heard the men shavers are better than men shavers. They get everything. You want that baby, baby, baby? You want a baby? Baby. Look at you. Well, I like their little fall section. Everything fall. I should give my mom some candy corn. Let me not put that on the vlog. Hold up, I'm not gonna get it. Let me see something. They have a big bottle of this. I have this, but they have this. How much is the shampoo though? The shampoo. It's a shampoo. But it's a shampoo. I have this already. I need shampoo. Huh? Yes? I tell you. Look at my hair, y'all. Don't worry, it's getting done on Monday. Yes, it is. Yeah, it's getting done on Monday. What you doing? What you doing? You know my, I don't know. Stop it. You know my thingy, my tripod fits your, yes. It fits your phone. You going down to cereal aisle? You need something from the cereal aisle? You need something from the cereal aisle? Do you need something from the cereal aisle? I ain't gonna lie, I miss making oatmeal. I used to eat oatmeal all the time. I think I'm gonna get me a little thing of oatmeal. Just a little. Because I used to buy the real big ones. And I never finished the whole big one. I remember once before I bought a big one and Sion wasted the whole thing. Oh my gosh, I was so heartbroken. I'm gonna make this with oat milk. But I think I'm gonna get my oat milk from Walmart. They 2 for $7. Oh, you'll get the Frosted Flakes in the Fruit. That's for shot is really good. Yeah, Frosted Flakes and Fruit. That's for shot in them. Cause Jade and Sion don't eat cereal. I'm a man and mom do. Well, I'll get Frosted Flakes. You can't go this way. Go that way. We are finally on our way back. Sir, you on the wrong side of the road, unless you live there. With them bright lights. On our way back home. On my way back to my mom's house. The last load just finished. Look at that thingy. Can't see it because you is speeding through a residential neighborhood and you're supposed to be doing 30 miles per hour.
This is my neighborhood.
A residential area.
Man, ain't nobody even on the road.
Whatever, then somebody accidentally ran out. You remember like the other morning when we was getting ready to go to work, or we was on our way to work and that man dog ran out in the middle of the road? Yeah. Exactly. That's what I be talking
about.
about.
If I was in my car.
Don't say that.
I never said I was in my car.
Oh, dip.
I would have cussed his ass out.
Don't say that. People, y'all need to really be careful with y'all animals. If y'all gonna have y'all pets outside, like dogs and stuff, please have them on the leash. Do not just let them run freely across the road when you know it's cars coming in and out. Don't do that, because if someone is driving and your dog comes out at the last minute and gets struck, you honestly cannot be mad with the person driving unless they were speeding. That's the only way you can be mad. But if that animal runs out at the very last minute and the person cannot hit brakes in time and accidentally bump your dog, you cannot be mad about that, because you letting them run outside freely. I have to edit, and I have a paper that I have to write that's due Sunday. So I'm going to be up all night, and I don't think I'm going to vlog that because exactly, it's going to be a tad bit of a distraction. If I do, I'm just going to sit it there and I'm going to just be typing away and researching, because it's on bullying. It's a
that's a serious subject.
Yeah, my professor said the same thing. She was like, it's she wants to know, how does the topic of your choice affects children, health wise, I think mentally, physically, health wise, safety wise. So it's like health, safety, and nutrition. She wants to know how your topic of choice affects that child in those 3 areas. But she also wants you to come up with a lesson plan to how you can teach it to other students, and as well as something else pertaining to how it can be, you can put effort in it to cease the bullying. And when I told her my topic of choice, she was like, that's a great topic to speak on, especially with the fact that a lot of children nowadays deal with bullying. I was bullied when I was in 1st, 2nd, and 6th grade. To be honest, I didn't grow up a fighter. I was scared to fight. I really was. My sister fought just about anybody that wanted to fight me, which I thought was crazy. Well, you know what? It's not crazy when I think about it now. Now that I have a daughter and her mouth is similar to what mine was growing up, I can understand why girls probably didn't like me, because I said how I felt. However, I was also told, if you're going to have a lot of mouth, you need to know how to fight. But that was the thing. I knew I had a lot of mouth, and I knew I had a sister that knew how to fight. Some would say, oh, you putting your sister in jeopardy by making her fight your battles. No, it was just more so of my mom, my dad, and my sister, my brother, they knew that when it came to my mouth that I was going to say what I felt and how I felt. I was not going to sugarcoat the way it was said. However, no, I was not a fighter. So if somebody wanted to fight me over, and a lot of times it wasn't even pertaining to the stuff that was said to them. It was just, they didn't like me just because they didn't like me is what it was. It wasn't never a good reason. They never had a good reason not to like me. It's not like I bully anybody. It's not like I bothered anybody or argue. I stayed to myself.